Phil James here for Road Rider Magazine. Today we're at Newcastle KTM and we're going to do something quite special. Now they've got a bit of stock lying around and there's some nice bikes. There's a KTM Adventure 9390 here, a Duke 200 here. As you move further along you get nicer bikes. You've got an 890 Adventure R here, a 1290 Super Adventure R here, but over here we've got something really special. We've got the KTM Super Duke 1290 RR, one of 500 worldwide. This is Jai. Now Jai's got Jai cam on so that we can have another view of the unboxing. Now Jai hasn't been able to sleep last night, he's so excited, and so am I. So we're going to get into it now. So we got some exciting bits on this. We got the forged wheels, aquapobic slip-on, comes with brake ducts, carbon fibre bodywork, super flash suspension, and a pretty sharp looking tail unit. Okay, so it's taken Jai about 15 minutes to get it to a rolling stage. Next step is to take it into the workshop and start the pre-delivery service on it. So, looks pretty good.